everybody. You are hearing the TV in the background. Ronnie's drinking his coffee, watching a nature show. He loves nature TV. And so this morning, it's not early. I had a little bit of a sleep in this morning, felt real good. But I came down here, I just cut up a cantaloupe, and now I am browning up my hamburger meat and my onion because I'm going to be making some homemade hot dog chili. Today, my hubby and I go down here near the hospital in our area, St. Mary's, and we are getting our second Pfizer shot. And so, in case we feel like crud, like I did with the first one, I'm just going to have some things that all we have to do is heat it up and enjoy. I made up a couple hamburger patties. I could just throw that in a pan. This is hot dog chili. I cut up a cantaloupe, and I'm going to make some drinks, some sweet tea for the fridge, and a thing of unsweetened, because I have found that I actually like more of the unsweetened tea, long as it's poured over ice, and it's probably a lot better for me. So that is what I'm doing this morning. Hope y'all are having a fantastic morning, and it is Veda Day 22. Okay, there is my hot dog chili, and I'm just putting it in this container to put in the fridge, and it smells amazing. 2 pitchers of tea made, and those are going to go in the fridge.
Shift twice.
That wasn't nothing.
You ready?
I am.
Hey, thanks so much, buddy.
You're welcome, buddy. Have a good one, okay?
You too. Are they a 15-minute wait on this?
Yes, please. Just pull up one of those empty
Oh, it's not a problem. Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. So we are back from getting our second shot of the Pfizer, however they say it. And Ronnie and I experienced a little bit of a burning sensation in our arm. I know you guys are kind of wondering, you know, if you haven't gotten yours yet, or your second one. So far, I feel okay. My arm feels really heavy. I don't know how to describe that. It didn't hurt at all. The shot itself is nothing. I mean, and you almost don't even know you got the shot if you're not paying any attention.
At least not yet now, and hopefully we'll
right.
do the same
I mean,
tomorrow.
we've had the shot for about 30 minutes now. And
the only thing, I got a little bit of I don't know, it's like a little bit of a sting in the right arm.
yeah, he's got a sting in the right arm, but my arm feels heavy. It's like, it's strange. It's
That's
like,
you've been hugging on me, baby. That's what I feel.
It's heavy. But anyways, we just put on a pot of coffee. I had 1 cup this morning, and Ronnie said he could do another cup, so I just put on a pot of coffee. We're just going to relax. That's why I got up this morning and made hot dog chili and did things this morning and took out all the garbages and did a little bit of cleaning this morning, because I didn't really know how we'd end up feeling after we got this next one. So it could literally knock us out later, and but I'm praying that it doesn't. I don't feel bad at all right at this moment, but it's only been 30 minutes, so to be continued. Dinner is served. We got the hot dog chili I made this morning over top of the leftover baked potatoes. Sorry the TV's so loud, sound bar's on. Over the leftover baked potatoes that we had the other night. Ronnie has cheese and sour cream on his, and this one is mine, and we're about to eat. Just got the dishes cleaned up from supper, and I am going to have this bowl of cantaloupe. I don't know why, but I've been on a cantaloupe kick, and I'm having it in my new bowls. I really like them. I think they're so pretty. But yeah, just watching a little bit of TV. I'm going to eat my cantaloupe.
I would.
They cannot win over the Russian water, but their urge to reach upstream is so intense that they come out of the water.
Well, it is time to close out this Veda video, and as always, I'm closing it out here in my bedroom. Ronnie, as usual, at midnight, watching his nature show over here, and I am in my pajamas, and I am getting ready to go to sleep, but I'm allowing these feet moisturizer things to stay on my feet for a little while longer. and then I'm going to go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Veda. It was kind of short and sweet. I can honestly say this evening we are feeling the effects of our second Pfizer shot. I think both of us just felt very fatigued, but I started feeling a little achy, like in my joints, and just kind of achy, so I went and soaked in a hot bath. Right now, I don't feel too bad. I feel comfortable, and I'm just ready to go to bed. So hopefully tomorrow I wake up and I can just be a whole new person. I'm not even going to set an alarm, so if my body needs to sleep till 9 or 10 or whatever, I may not wake up till noon. You never do know. But I am going to just let myself get as much sleep as I need. And then I'm going to start my day tomorrow, and you guys will be coming along. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Good night, everybody.